Originally, I'm from Siberia. My native republic is situated in the south of Russia, and it is the center of Asia. But last 5 years, I live in St. Petersburg. Here I learned English and French and also started to work with children teaching them these languages. Also in St. Petersburg I got to know about ISIC organization and thanks to it I had an incredible trip to India last year. I had a great experience in teaching children and organization their spare time. Besides, I traveled a lot around India and visited a lot of places of interest. More than that, I had a great opportunity to make friends with people from all over the world. I'm happy that this year I will go to the heart of Europe, to Czech Republic, which has the same roots with Russia, but of course there are a lot of interesting peculiarities which I'm going to explore. I have some hobbies like skating and swimming, skiing and dancing, and I think I can share my knowledge with children. Hope to see you soon in Czech Republic. Thank you.